Now, I've talked quite a bit about how reselling can help your retirement. Now, let's just imagine for a moment that we put a number to it. So on this video, I'm going to cut through all the fluff and I'm going to share what's actually possible. And this is based on experience. It's not based on any hype. So let's dive into what's realistic and, most importantly, what it takes to be a successful reseller. Well, actually, the answer may surprise you, because some people are going to tell you that they make, thousands and thousands of dollars a month reselling. And actually, they may. So others are going to tell you, this is a total waste of time. So who's right? Well, the truth is that neither one of those answers will help you. Because, the amount that I make, or the amount that someone else makes for that matter, that doesn't even really matter for you. So what matters for you is, how much do you want to make? So how much do you want to make? Boy, that's a loaded question, isn't it? I would suggest, before you even answer that you choose your answer carefully. So what do I mean by that? Let me explain. Basic facts here, guys, about reselling. The more you want to make, the more effort is going to be required from you. So that means that you're going to do more of everything. You're going to do more of sourcing, going out in the field and finding items to list. Then you're going to do more listing. And then you're going to field some questions from potential buyers. And then you're going to make a sale and you're going to pack items and you're going to ship items. So in real life, what does this mean? So when you ask yourself, how much do you want to make? Let's say that you're telling me that you want to make $200 to $500 a month. Well, that's an easy amount to obtain in reselling. And let's say that you're asking for a moderate amount. You're asking for the $800 to $1,200 a month in profits in reselling. Well, that's going to take more effort on your part. You're going to have more sourcing and you're going to have more listings, more dealing with customers, and more shipping. So all of this discussion begs a question, and I'd ask you to be honest with yourself, because you come from all walks of life. Guys, I have over 38,000 subscribers now, which is an absolute amazement to me. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And by the way, guys, I'm Dave, and this is Retired with Purpose. So anyway, you come from all walks of life, and you had all different kinds of jobs. So what I want to ask you, and again, be honest with yourself, let's talk about you here for a moment. Are you a disciplined person? Did your career require you to be disciplined? Now, I'm not talking about a job here. I'm asking you to consider your discipline level. So let me tell you what this means. It means even if you have a low amount of discipline, you can still make that, $200, $300, $400, $500 a month. You can do that. And it won't be that difficult to do. It just means that you're going to be sourcing fewer things and you're going to be listing fewer things, but it's definitely doable for sure. You're talking about if you're making 2 sales a week and you're profiting $25 on each of these sales, you're talking $50 a week in profit. Now, I'm not talking about sales. For all the guys out there who are resellers are saying that's not net profit. I'm talking about net profit. Let's say you sell 4 things at $15 net profit. Just do the calculation. You're talking about $60 a week, 4 weeks in a month, let's say. You're still talking about $240 a month. And it's not difficult to do that. Maybe you'll only have, 2 sales in a whole month, but you made $50 on each of those sales because of the kind of items that you buy. So it is not difficult at all for a low disciplined person to make an amount of money in reselling to help them in their retirement. Now, if you have a higher level of discipline, that means that moderate amounts, that $800 to $1,200 a month, definitely doable without that much effort. Guys, it really isn't. Just do the math. It's not that hard to do just a few sales in a week. It's not hard when you are actively listing. Now, let's say you have high discipline, but you also have a high activity level. That's the way I am. I mean, the sky's the limit. The more I want to get out and source, the more that I want to list, the more sales happen, and the more money I make a month. It's not difficult. So depending on your level of discipline, you can still earn money reselling, but you need to be realistic. You need to consider that. You know yourself. Now, some of you guys have had careers where you were counted on. The bosses gave you certain amounts of work to do. They counted on you for deadlines and all kinds of things like that. And you have that discipline. Well, as soon as you retire, that part of your life is gone. But that discipline in you is still there. So if it's easy for you to stay on task, stay on schedule, if somebody says, hey, I want to meet tomorrow for coffee at 8 a.m., you're there early. If you're that person, the sky is literally the limit. Trust me, guys, you can do this. The hardest part for many is just getting started. So you'll need to learn the systems. You're going to need to learn how to source. You're going to need to learn how to list and all of those systems, but it's not difficult at all. I have a buying system already in place, a tool that's available to you. I've got one coming out in the next day or two, possibly even today, that is going to be a listing system. So anybody that has problems with figuring out the process, it's not hard. It's like I've mentioned before, when you first cooked an egg, you didn't know how to do it, you had to learn the steps to do it. Same thing. So once you learn those buying systems and you learn the listing systems, how to do it, guys, it's a piece of cake and it's not a difficult thing to learn. Trust me, you can do this, and I just need to know what's holding you back. Are you going to try this, or are you trying it? Are you having some difficulty doing it? Leave it in the comments below. Let's discuss it. If you could use a few $100 extra a month or a few thousand extra dollars a month, reselling is the easiest way I know of to make that happen. So, guys, until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on my next video.